with number 6 of making some pockets and things for my journal, which is A Winter's Tale by ARTYmaze. There'll be a playlist below for all the things that I'm doing for this journal. So I had scraps left over, so I'm gonna make some pockets. So I can't remember what I've done with the top half of these bits. I may have cut them, but obviously they're 2 different sizes, which I'm actually just going to no, they're not, they're exactly the same. No, they ain't. it's peeking around here. So what I'm going to do is just trim that so that they're both the same. So making sure I hit record this time, because in my last video I nearly finished it and realised that I hadn't even pressed record. So there we go. So I just use like these. I've got loads of different craft knives, but I like these. They're disposable. Saying that, you can actually buy the blades to go inside them. So oops, and lots of sirens going on. Right, so I need my ink, because I am going to ink this up because it's a bit kind of white around the edges. So I'm just going to ink that up. Now everything that I'm doing here is easy peasy. It's not difficult. You can all do this. If you're a beginner, it's easy peasy, and if you're advanced, you might not want to watch it. So but you know, you can watch something. I know I do. Whoops. I watch videos, and even though I don't do exactly the same, it just inspires you to maybe do something else. Just one little detail can actually, you know, trigger your brain to do something completely different. So it is good to, it's good to watch videos, and even if it's something you think, oh, I can't do that, you can get something else from it. So these pockets, one will go, where's my page? Where is my page? My dummy page. My dummy page. So I will probably put one, you know, not on this exact page, but one like that and one like that. So you'll have a tuck and a tuck. Right. Obviously I'm going to do a little bit more. So we have this hair and this other hair. So one is just going to kind of go on here, but I am going to back it onto some book page. I think this is a Greek English dictionary. So I'm just going to set them out the way. Whoops. And I'm going to glue with my tacky glue. So easy. So you know, you can create an amazing journal without having to have loads of tools and spending a fortune, because at the end of the day, you know, your journals are, I know that things like laces and fabrics can be quite expensive, and yes, it's nice to use them, but getting back to basics as well and using your scraps is a good idea. I actually spend less now making journals than I did when I done other projects like mini albums and cards. Cost a fortune, but I'll be honest, you know, when I look back on it, I used to spend sometimes £200 a month, if not more, on bits for card making and jewellery making and mini albums. I don't spend that amount of money anymore. So I only want a little border around that, and I've gone back to my little decorative scissors, which is the corkscrew one, and I'm just gonna go around the edges, giving it a little border just to break it up a little bit. You can sew this if you wish, but I'm not going to, because I am going to, once all my pockets and everything are made, I am going to add like my cheesecloth and little bits of fabric and some bling and some buttons and whatever else I feel it dragging out and popping on there. And I will do videos on that as well, but I'm just doing the basic right now, the basics I should say, because just this is how I do it. I don't always know what I'm doing. I know I'm making a journal, but I don't always know exactly how it's going to turn out. So kind of want that about here on that pocket, because I want to put some fibres or material or something down the bottom. And again with the other one, I will just do about there. So they're slightly different. So what I'd do here is just glue up one side. So you've got to be careful because you don't need to glue it all. Just looking at that, yep, just a little bit here and just like so. Easy peasy. You're probably thinking, why is she even showing this? But it's what I'm going to be putting into this journal. Oops. Yeah, see, I just done that the wrong way, so I just need to get a baby wipe. Here we go. Just take that off. So that side I want to do. And I'm just going to put it there so that I have my little piece, my little space there to add what I'm going to add. Now, where's my page gone? Now, so you can imagine the page coffee dyed or tea dyed or whatever, and there would be that and that, but there would be pages in between, so you wouldn't actually necessarily see it in this order. So that's another easy peasy one. I doubt very much if you have any questions, but that's what I'm doing next. And I've got, I think it's a few more to do for the pockets that I need. I may add more as I go along, but I'll obviously like a basis for a base amount of pockets to put in the journals. So yeah, so I will be back with some more. Bye.